Palate has hard and soft sections. Hard palate is formed by palatine process of maxillae and the horizontal laminae of the palatine bone. Soft palate is formed, attached to posterior edge of the hard palate, formed by aconnective tissue lamina covered by a mucosa. The anterior end of the soft palate lies horizontally, while its posterior end hangs down and is called the palatine velum. From the middle of the posterior edge hangs small, rounded process called uvula. Beginning at each lateral edge of the soft palate, two mucosal arches are present. A. The palatoglossal arch extends to lateral edge of the root of the tongue. The palatopharyngeal arch extends to lateral wall of pharynx. Between these arches and the tonsillar fossa lies the palatine tonsil, which is an organ of the immune system. Muscles of the palate. Tensor veli palatini 2. Levator veli palatini 3. Hamulus of pterygoid process 4. Palatoglossal 5. Musculus uvulae 6. Palatopharyngeal. Ed muscles. Tensor veli palatini muscle. It is origin cartilage, part of auditory tube spine of sphenoid bone and insertion in palatine, aponeurosis and function R, stretches soft palate, widens the lumen of auditory tube, 2 end muzzles. Levator veli palatini muscle, medial to tensor muscle. It is origin. Front inferior surface of temporal cartilage, of auditory tube and insertion in palatine. Aponeurosis and function is, raises the soft palate 3 RD muzzles. Musculus uvulae, it is origin. Posterior nasal spine, and insertion in mucosa of uvula. And function is raises and shortens uvula. The muzzles. Palatoglossal muscle, it is origin. Lateral part of the root of the tongue and insertion in palatine aponeurosis, and function is, lowers palatina velum, decreasing the size of the fauces. The muzzles palatopharyngeal muscles, it is origin. Posterior wall of pharynx, posterior cricoids cartilage and insertion in palatine aponeurosis and function, area aponeurosis velum, narrowing the fauces. Mucosa of the mouth is lined by striated squamous epithelium. In regions of tongue, gums, and hard palate, there is no sub. Mucosa of the mouth contains large number of glands, Ward 11, 59.